When sweet tooth craves, this is the best recipe to make. So let's start making this season's speciality. Ingredients required for Rasgulla mango cream are rasgullas, mango pulp, mango pieces and whipped cream. I'm taking these two big rasgullas which I am going to cut it into 4 pieces. You all can even take the small rasgullas which are available. Just remove the sugar syrup from the rasgullas. So I'm just first going to place the 4 pieces, then some mango pulp, some mango pieces, whipped cream, then again another layer of rasgulla, some mango pieces, then goes in mango pulp, again whipped cream. So I've not whipped the whipping cream entirely. I want it little flowy consistency, so don't whip it completely. A little bit of mango pulp again on top and few pieces of mango. Our rasgulla mango cream is ready. What are you waiting for? Just go and make this recipe already. And for more such fun dishes, subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every